In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're having problems with Google Hangouts recognizing your microphone. So for some reason nobody can hear you on the other side and you've already tried unplugging and plugging your microphone back in, you've made sure the microphone's turned on and so forth, this tutorial will be for you. So the first thing I would suggest would be to actually just sign out and sign back in of your Gmail account. That should have a success as well, so I would suggest trying that. Now if that does not work, I would suggest then going up to the top right corner of your internet web browser, so Google Chrome in our case. I'm going to left click on that, the little three-dotted icon. Then you want to go down and left click on settings. You want to scroll down on this page until you get to advanced near the bottom, and then you just want to left click on that one time. Now underneath the privacy and security area, you want to go down to content settings, control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. Left click on that one time, and then you want to left click on microphone. So it might currently be turned off. It might say blocked here. Just click on one more time to turn it on to ask before accessing. And then you want to click inside this drop down here. Try a different microphone. So if you see your microphone listed in here and it's not currently selected, select it. If you have multiple microphones, just go through them, trial and error until you find the right one. And then once you've made your selection, just click on it, close out of the web browser, restart it, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.